From Kuala Beach, I finally arrived to Vinh City in this foggy, dreary afternoon weather. There is only one place that I'm interested to visit in Vinh, and I'm headed directly there. Okay, so I'm at Vinh Citadel. Not too many things to do in Vinh, but this is one of them, maybe the most interesting. According to what it's saying, was originally built in 804 and fortified in 1831. This French-style citadel was built under Emperor Ming as a defense stronghold for strategically important area of Vinh. Later it was used by the French as prison and a place to execute political prisoners. Today the only remains are its three gates. I see only one here, and the moat, which is here, and not much is left. Let's see, maybe you can go through here, but there's nothing inside. Yep. That's all that remained. Maybe I'll go and look for the other gates, but that's it. And behind the stadium there is another gate. That's the southern gate. Okay, found it. Now let's see if I can find the other gate. Follow the moat, see what I can find. Seems like I got to the same place again. Yep, been here before. Let's continue around the moat. So there is a bridge, might be a... Yep, there is another gate. Third gate. Okay, let's see if there's another one. I hear there are only three, but let's keep on going. So another bridge, and I think I'm back to the gate behind the stadium. Yep, completed the whole circumference of the moat. That's the gate, actually very nice. All of the city of Vinh was destroyed with the fights against the French in the 1950s, and then the Americans bombed it severely. So everything was rebuilt with the help of the Soviets and the East Germans. And accordingly, I haven't seen yet, but this is the main influence of the architecture around here. So okay, so maybe that's what they mean about the old architecture, like the East German Russian, because all around it's already new and they're taking down the old one. Since the city was built from scratch since the end of the Vietnam War, has a lot of big boulevards, and the city is not big, so not crowded like Hanoi, and it's probably not as polluted, although my meter says otherwise, maybe because of the fog. It seems like a really nice, calm city. So, since Ho Chi Minh is from this province, Hoi-An, they're very proud of it. There are so many places. 16 kilometers from here there is the birth house of Ho Chi Minh, and it just makes sense that they will have a huge statue of Ho Chi Minh. I've never seen such a big statue of him anywhere, and a huge park or a square much bigger than Hanoi. Well, I'm not sure much bigger than his mausoleum, but same style. If you recall, yesterday I had an accident on the beach and I crushed the mirror of the motorbike. So today, before leaving Vinh, I had one more thing to take care of. Okay, so I got this guy to fix my mirror. Good, here, ready, and it cost me only 80,000 to fix it. So ready to go, leave Vinh and head on south. Coming up in the next episode. Day 5. I head to a nearby waterfall and get a bit lost trying to find it. After, I continue to the beaches south of Vinh and spend the rest of the day there before arriving in Ha Tin for the night. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming adventures of road trip from Hanoi to Danang.